Benefits of almond. Almonds are a nutrient-dense food, and the potential health benefits of consuming almonds can be seen in coronary heart disease and type 2 diabetes, as well as to weight maintenance and weight control. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, manganese, biotin, and copper. They are also a good source of magnesium, molybdenum, riboflavin, vitamin B2 and phosphorus. 1 serving of almonds equals 1 ounce, 4 to 5 mid-sized almonds, or 1/4 cup. Nutritional content of 1 serving of almonds can contain 6 grams of protein, 165 calories, 14 grams of fat, 5% saturated, 80% monounsaturated and 15% polyunsaturated, 3 grams of fiber and 6 grams of carbohydrates. Almonds are a high-calorie food that is nutritious because most of their fat is monounsaturated. Heart. Just a handful of almonds is good for the heart. Almonds contain many bioactive molecules such as fiber, polyphenols, minerals, vitamins and many antioxidant properties. Unsaturated fatty acids from almonds can help to improve serotonin levels during the day and improve sleep quality at night. Almonds can be eaten every day in a variety of forms, but most, if not all, of the research results relate to the consumption of real almonds, whether as whole slices or shards. Brain. Almonds, in their healthy form, are a healthy food and should be eaten raw. If you are wondering why you should do this, I recommend soaking almonds. The importance of soaking almonds should never be overstated when it comes to brain health. The almond skin has tannins that inhibit the absorption of nutrients, thereby destroying the purpose of eating almonds. It is easy to peel an almond after it has been soaked in lukewarm water for a while. Diabetes. Almonds are a good source of fat-soluble vitamins, especially vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant. 1 serving of almonds contains 50% of the daily requirement of vitamin E. Almonds are also rich in magnesium, which can help reduce insulin resistance. 1 serving of almonds, 1 ounce, contains 25% of an individual's daily magnesium requirement. Weight. A 2003 study published in the International Journal of Obesity showed that women who ate almonds for 6 months reduced their weight and BMI compared to a group of women who did not eat almonds. Those who included nuts in their diet also lost fat mass and experienced a reduction in their blood pressure and waist circumference. According to a 2015 study, eating almonds as a snack in the morning can make people feel full for a while. The extent to which their appetite remains low depends on the amount of almonds they consume. People should consume between 28 grams, 1.73 calories, and 42 grams, 2.59 calories. We live in the age of miracle foods, where we proclaim that certain foods have magical properties and that their consumption in daily life is the panacea for most health problems. Not all miracle foods are in themselves superfoods that prevent or cure disease, but dense foods such as almonds offer rich nutritional benefits. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.